ganun.
What's with their elk?
I did the same thing.
Yeah, I
Hindi ka
thought we were
nakita.
taking a picture.
Oo, gumanon. Ito ka. Yan. Tabi sa akin.
You're gonna flash? We're gonna flash after they go.
Oo.
Wait, are we taking a picture or we just...
No, that's
Oh,
that's
video.
live.
Oh,
That's
oh,
live.
that's live.
So we just gonna like
We're gonna picture.
pinto. Thank you. This is good. Thank you. Kahit na walang kanood, may manonood din yan pag natapos.
Like the girl.
She's not, it's not sweet at
Annalie.
Yan.
My husband told me what he cooked tonight.
Are you gonna
Oh, she cooked?
try to? Alam mo, ilagay ko dito? We have the thing. Yung...
Hindi na. Kasi 1 week lang ba? Titinda ko rin yung wine.
Oh, you know what? Hindi maganda ang gumagawa sa iyo. May gumagawa ba sa iyo? Sa akin may gumagawa sa akin.
No, actually, this is my natural hair. This is my hair.
This one?
This is my hair. My hair is straight. That is my hair.
Well, they say when you dye it, it turns blue. Soon, right? The blonde.
First time I highlight, but this my, I tried to highlight so one over. Also not.
Had it colored.
No.
Oh, that's good for you. My side red too is getting one. Yeah, so she gave me something to, because I've been coloring this side also. Yeah, only, and then she said, you're wasting your money for that one. So she gave me that one. Yes,
Kung gano'n natin
I
siya.
used to
Kasi
have,
If I will,
I cannot see me.
I used to have it frosted all the time. I mean, highlighted. But it ruined my hair.
so I did one time, 5 months ago I did, but just to have this thing out. And my hair is thick.
The weird, they have the things that go on top to make it look like, yeah, because I need the one, they said rosemary, you boil rosemary leaves for like 30 minutes, and then you cover it, and then you put it in a bottle and you spray, so that when your hair can grow. Yeah, because I have any hair in it.
Me too.
Hindi ka kita, LP.
A friend of mine, she's from India. She sprays it. And she said she grew her hair with
When ladies get together, they talk about what is secret?
This is all
What
about.
did you order?
This is all about. This is all the woman
You?
thing.
It's supposed to be iced coffee, but it looks like it's some kind of
Mango?
It's the ice
caramel
coffee.
syrup, sweet cream. Yeah.
Yeah, just tell me that.
It's not that sweet, so it's fine.
We have the same one.
So what's really good? What is the green stuff?
It's the matcha.
Matcha.
Yeah, it's secrets. We have to share our beauty secrets. I told her I buy that shampoo to dye my hair.
I have it. I don't even use it yet.
Yeah, and
From like a big bottle like that.
yeah, and you just squeeze it and
Yeah,
you just
from
put it
Amazon.
in.
You know, I heard that about it.
But they say it's
You
not.
don't like it?
I have not tried it.
That's what I've been
Anybody,
using.
anybody
What's her name? The one
to color your hair?
Yeah.
It's
It's oh my god.
Dr.
No, it's
Bello.
no, it's like it's in a black bottle. I can't remember the name.
Made in where? Japan, Korea.
No.
They have in Amazon.
Amazon.
Yes,
Okay,
Amazon.
That's what I got. I think that's what I see that.
Yeah.
That's where you say.
Yeah, one of my Filipino friends, she told me, because her hair looks nice. I was good.
But my hair is not black.
No, this is see?
You know what I'm using is the stick.
No, I
Do
don't.
you have it with you?
No,
The stick.
No, it's the my grandson.
Nay, I told you that's a long time eh.
But that's what he was 2 and 4 now. I just love it.
Use it for when we're going away, doing some.
How many grandkids do you have?
One.
I do that.
Okay, go to Amazon.
And let me go to Amazon.
Yan.
Did he say?
And sir, it's very easy to do.
But ikaw doesn't have it, right?
Because,
Yung pangalan ko lang meron.
Only the stick one or something
Yung
like that.
bulso, wala. He's not married. I am Muslim. Muslim my babies.
That one?
See, that's my grandbaby. That's 3 months old. I see mama niya.
Nee,
She's
nee.
just
Something like
Girl,
that.
you gotta order it.
Let me see. What the name?
That's what they use.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is
see?
it permanent or no?
No.
It's temporary?
No, temporary. Yeah, when you wash it, it's gonna go away.
Oh.
Dito ko lang nilalagay yung tawag
She
dito,
gave
eh.
it to me whenever we
But
go
I cannot
to
make it dark though. Once I use dark, a week later she's gonna show my light.
No.
It's just for
My
everyday.
friend, this is only mamaya. Diba, I wash my hair kanina. Yeah, that's exactly the same my body.
What's the
Yeah.
name?
Herbish.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it now.
Yeah.
But this one,
It doesn't stink either. And it doesn't
But
ruin
this-
your hair.
but this one, you put it after you shower, and
I
then
want
you
a
shower
color like
again.
this.
I mean, you shampoo it again. It's gonna go away.
I don't need the dark color. I need the light color because my hair is gray. I'm gonna over the gray hair.
No, your hair is fine. It's like a highlight.
Sa bagay.
If I'm gonna
Walang
gray,
You don't need to. You,
If
you
I
look
will-
good with that one. So
if
you
I
don't
will
need it.
cover that
Pero
hair
yung,
a week later,
pero yung buhok ni ano eh, talagang mukhang gray.
sino?
Virgin.
Yung man mo kaibigan?
No, yours is no, yours
Yeah,
is
really.
better.
Your
Your
shade
shade
my
is
friend.
your shade is better than you know.
Ah, siguro nagtataka din si LB bakit hindi man niya nakikita si Virgin sa ano, in the pictures.
Yeah, what's going on with Virgin?
Huh?
What's going on with her?
She's busy. Yeah, she's busy. She keep working. And I think she's in process buying a house, huh? Buying a property.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sabi mo sa kapitbahay namin, meron yung ano dito.
Yeah.
The,
Di ba ang daming lot doon, di ba?
yeah. I think the Highlands about, I think yeah, 4 or 5 more to go. Then, by the
And
time,
then, and before you go exactly to your neighborhood, there's
Oh, yeah, the
there's
new
a lot of
one,
new
yeah.
there that it's
yeah,
developing.
yeah, that's a new one.
Yeah, tell her that
But it's far from everywhere.
You know, right here,
it's gonna be booming there.
you know, right here they have a lot of
It's not gonna take long.
HEV now. HEV they have
Construction
they have and this month they're gonna open the laws. So
I
this will
think
be like
before they build the houses, they already
no, yeah.
something going on. That way, who will
They
buy a
call
house
this
there?
they
when
call
it's
this a
really long?
Mandel town center. They have
There's Sunny, Gemma,
Mandel town center.
and LV. Coffee. Coffee! That you're so cute, look. Coffee's so cute. And si ako, not so cute. I said not so cute. Oh. Next time, sumama ka sa pagbibingo.
And he's so used to. 'cause we're always
Nagbingo kami,
together,
did you see it?
24 hours a day. Sometimes we just
Yeah,
wanna
in her house. Yes. Huwag naman lagi-lagi.
Time that I go with her. Yeah, 'cause every day.
Minsan-minsan lang.
It's like there. No, just like that's what you
Hi,
do.
sister. How are you?
It's there. No, you go.
My husband work at home.
Mine's retired.
How are you?
Mine retired too, but
Gala naman si, ano,
all is Baybrook.
si Josie.
3 days in a week. If I'm not with her.
Oh yeah. I said I neglected already my garden because it's cold.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
So I don't attend to my garden since it's cold. So we don't want to get sick. Old people.
Oh, I know. I told her.
So that's why I didn't attend my.
I said, yourself an old lady.
No, I said
You're singing
I
naman
was
she's
saying we're
old.
gonna get the husbands together, you know? Because I like it my next time. You know when the boyfriend Mercy came to the house? My husband was so happy, you know, because
They
he's the
need
only
that. They need a man. They need the fellowship as well. It's not only the woman.
He was so happy. The first called me. Said, oh, he's so happy that he talked to your husband? Because we were like, okay, we were playing games. He goes, okay, let's go. We kicked them out.
I know. I said, oh, they need to evacuate to the other room.
Yeah, now we're going to the living
And then we
room.
need the other room, and then she said, oh, you evacuate again to the other room.
Yeah.
My husband was talking about that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because I was telling him.
Pero nagtuturo siya ng engineering
My God,
kasi
those schools too, man. They're so nice. I said, you should.
dahil walang tulong ay po sa bahay, wala.
Because, yeah, but my house is small, but you know the room where he has his models and all that.
You know what? It's small, but it's functional. Yeah, right?
But that's his,
It don't matter.
that was our
Kailangan pa.
dining room.
Tulad na ngayon.
Wow,
And then he
that's,
put all that stuff in there.
that's okay. That's okay. It's functionable. It's enough room for us. See, we even dance, right? So we have love together.
That was funny when we were dancing.
Whenever we're singing, I said, it's me. But you know what? Before we have party at the house, and then all of us, we are dancers, right? And then when we go sing, hey husband, kita then go downstairs. We do the same thing. The last time we have a campus with us.
Kaya nga kayo
All of the
nagkasama.
husband and wife are together. Yeah. Oh, you know what? My LV, my husband, he really likes your husband. I mean, he your husband was the person very good.
I think that's what we need. Just have all the husbands
And see,
together.
I can see your husband too. He is accommodating.
Yeah.
Because there's some husband that they do once they get there's some husband that they know that they're not so
Especially they are in the job.
compatible. They're not outgoing even. But
Yeah.
your husband, yes, I said I like is the poor one. He said,
your
I
husband.
like, and then he said, what happened to them? Yeah, he asked me what happened to
My
them.
husband one time said, hey, you wanna do a party again for what? To invite the friend that you had before.
See?
I'm not doing it.
See? And my husband will get along with your husband.
Huh?
My husband likes to talk. How old's your husband?
Yeah.
63.
Mine's
He likes to run his sleep.
Oh my God, right?
Yeah,
My
mine is 60.
I'm 68. He was he's a retired policeman, so he's
Oh, nice.
So you're
Yeah, my husband was asking your husband. See, and your husband wants to meet my husband again.
but he just won't talk too much.
Let's see if we up to going having party.
Kasi maano sila eh.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah, but he's so
he asked
funny.
Gusto
What
na
happened?
ulit yung sa
He used to own a restaurant years ago before he left. And he was still a policeman then. He was a policeman. And then he would deliver pizzas in his uniform.
Ako they like donuts.
Yeah, they like donuts too. I remember when he was still working, he would get up 3 o'clock in the morning to go to work, to go to the donut shop at 5 o'clock.
That's what we know. Because we kind of joke around with those police that come to our school and said, have a dozen donuts. I go, they love. Miss Gemma is like,
He loves it. But he goes, you know, and then
we just joke them around.
But, you know, I'm glad he's not a puppet.
Si Lulu nanonood.
They don't respect
Si Lulu. Hi, Lulu.
Hi, hello.
They don't respect the police anymore.
Not anymore nowadays. It's scary me though. It's really scary me. It's very sad.
My family, through my stepdaughter, they are policemen.
In Houston?
5 of them.
Oh, wow.
4, and then 1 my son-in-law.
American?
American, Hispanic American.
And they're still HPP?
They're still.
See, it's hard.
It's very hard.
2 of them are in the office. I set aside because they're changing the party. So
I know. It's scary.
Nowadays,